Efficiently counting items in large Python lists. I have two very large Python lists that look like this. These lists go on to very large numbers, but I specify a maximum value, say 100, and after that I can discard the rest. Now I need to calculate for each value, 0, 1, 2, 100, the ratio, occurrences in list A, occurrences in list B. And since this value is not always possible, I decided to calculate this value only if there's more than 5 occurrences of the value in each list, and if this condition is not true, then combine the occurrences of the previous values and we'll give the same ratios for combined values if this condition is correct. For example, for the above lists, I want to create a series that looks like this. You can use a counter to count the occurrences and take while to fill your requirement of stopping at 100. Instead of discarding values which are not in list B, notice how I use nan. Example. Output. To ignore some underrepresented values, you can set min_count to 5 as mentioned in your question. Notice I didn't fill in empty slots with the ratio of the previous value. Unless you have a very specific use case that requires it, I recommend you do not, as this would mix actual data with extrapolated data. It is better to default on the previous value when it is not found, but to not pollute the actual data.